All right, here we are at Vista Montaire, and we're going to take a tour of a Sonoma farmhouse floor plan. This home is listed at $704,000, $225,000. It is a Farmhouse Sonoma design. It has a 3-car garage as standard. It's 2,831 square feet. So as you approach the front here, you got that nice porch. You got the 8-foot door. Very tall foyer here. I want to say it's roughly 15 feet. So if you pan up, and then that cool window right there gives you light coming in, so that's really nice. So you come in, and you have this open living room with 12-foot ceilings. You got the nice fireplace there. And then over there you have a family room. You have your primary bedroom, and you have 2 bedrooms over here. So let's go to this side of the home here. And this is where your 3-car garage would be. You have a nice full-size pantry here. Then you have the laundry room over here. And it will have a sink here as well. And this living room, kitchen, formal dining room is massive. And the lot size, just for you to know, is 19,116 square feet. The unfortunate part is I cannot go out there because they're actually doing the stucco. But it is a huge lot. It's, I'm going to say, over 100 feet towards the back. But this is the formal dining room. Opens up into the living room. And this is Vista Montaire, northeast side of Bakersfield. This is the family room. And it has the wet bar hookup over there as well. So you can use this as a game room. And then over here you have a full bathroom. Over here you have cabinets. You have this good sized bedroom over here. And then this also has a walk-in closet. And what's cool about this, it has the double doors. It's really nice. And that's a huge closet, by the way. All right, so we're leaving the family room and the bedroom, and we're going to go to this side of the home. So you got the foyer there, and this is, I want to say, like a tri-wing. So over here you'll have cabinets here, and then you have a bedroom right here, and this is also off the front patio. If you haven't been into Vista Montaire, you're missing out, because it's a neighborhood that's like no other. Has amazing views of the mountain, of the Sequoia Mountains. Then we'll go up front here to the front, another front room. So you can see in the distance those mountains. And then this one here has that closet there. And then over here you have a full bathroom. So basically 3 full bathrooms in this home. And it's a Sonoma farmhouse. It's 2,831 square feet, 3-car garage. And then it has that extended family room that we were in that was massive. And these doors right here, they go in, they open up like a pocket door. So kind of like an invisible door, and then it has a covered patio. but I can't go outside because they got everything taped up to stucco. All right, hopefully you're liking this tour of the Sonoma floor plan here at Vista Montaire. If you have questions, if you're looking for new construction, give me a call. I'm always a phone call away to help you out and navigate Bakersfield, because my goal is to ultimately have you make the right decision when you make that move to Bakersfield. So let's finish up the tour here in the primary room. All right, so you got this nice door that goes out to the back patio. So if you go for a dive in the pool, go in the backyard, you have entrance into your primary. And what I love about this, it has these two windows right here. Put your bed right there. And this is a massive room, so you'll have plenty of room. And what I love about this bathroom is you have two vanities. You have a vanity right here. Then you have a floating tub here. And you have a vanity there with this nice frosted window. So if you're a tub person, it's going to have this nice, beautiful tub right here. And then over here, you have a walk-in shower with a curbless entrance. So that's great because it's just one seamless entrance. You have a bathroom here. The closet, it doesn't have power, so the closet is massive, but we don't have lighting in there, but you kind of get the picture of how big this is. All right, so let's take one quick little spin. Around here you can see 12-foot ceilings throughout, very nice. All right, hopefully you guys like this tour. If you have questions, this house is available. It is in a rough stage right now because it's still under construction, but we can get you probably moved in about 60 to 90 days or less. So if you have questions or if you'd like to look at this home, give me a call. My information is going to be below. If you want to know things that happen daily in Bakersfield, follow my Instagram channel at Skate Agent, also on my Facebook channel as well. So on to the next house.